Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily add your favorite tunes to any Canva video. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose Landscape Video for this tutorial. Next, pick any template from the Templates tab. Try playing this template first. No audio is added yet to this Canva video. Scroll down the timeline, click Add Audio, then select the audio file you want to add. Add music and sound effects. After selecting, go to Elements and choose Audio. Drag and drop any audio you want. There's a magic recommendation feature. Let's try using the suggested audio for our background. Set the duration to 2.55 seconds and add the drop music to the audio track. Increase the audio duration to match the video, then play it to check if the adjustment works correctly. After adding audio in Canva, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video format and increase the quality for a better final video. Save your project when done. Now you know how to add music to a Canva video and subscribe for more quick tips.